Yo, what's up, my little bubbles? It's Bubble here, and today we got some news and some T-spells from Cybernova. I honestly love Cybernova, so this is just amazing how she's supposed to be. Anyways, we're going to be going on the video of her spelling a T, and shout out to Cybernova. So we're going to be doing a login streak. And then y'all guys see it. It's my login streak because I'm nice. Anyways. I'm not saying Cybernova is not nice for not showing in her login streak. I'm just showing you guys mine. So we're going to be going to Earth. To spin the wheel and go to the Divinia Park and test our luck. And then we're going to be checking out the video on Cybernova's leaks. Once again, shout out to Cybernova. She's absolutely my favorite YouTuber. God, please don't let me get death again. I had death 3 times. I had death 3 in I had death once in every 3 days. In 3 days. Okay, so 3 days ago, I got death, and then the next day, death. Next day, death. And let's hope we don't get death again. Please not death again. I don't want to be death again. I've not been blessed by the holy gods. Oh my gosh. So we got a little teddy bear here. I love my teddy bear. I'm not gonna trade it, you guys. So it's not for trade. I'm really sorry if you guys wanted it. I got this I overpaid for this because so many people love. Oh, run area. Haha. So many people love their teddy bears that it's just too hard to give away. Give to something. And that's actually worth it. So I had to overpay for it. Which was unpleasant for me. I didn't want to overpay for it, but you know, I had to. So just to get something that I liked. My head really hurts right now. My head hurts so bad right now. I wasn't supposed to record though, because of the headache I had, but I just wanted you guys to get entertained, so I decided to record for you guys. Honestly, the light is making my head hurt in my room. It's so bright in this room because of this light. Oh. Oh wow, we got death and we got nothing. That just sucks. I have horrible luck. Anyways, now let's get on to the video that Cybernova posted. Now, here we go.
Or should I say, aloha tea spillers? Should that be my new summer intro? I guess I should expose another secret right now while we're getting into it. You guys, I think that my royal pod is haunted. It keeps spinning, and I'm not playing anything. Please, someone call an exorcist. Okay, but we all know what you're here for, don't worry. We're gonna get to all the hot, spicy tea. So the first thing on today's agenda is to talk about the pirates. That didn't work well. Can somebody teach me a pirate accent? I've heard some rumors about it. I am aware that Johnny is making a pirate set, but it has not been given any sort of approval by Barbie yet, so has it been worked on? Yes. Is it coming to the game? Big old, I don't know, people, but if you guys are really passionate about this, you know what to do. Let your voices be heard. Tweet the devs.
Okay, so we're halfway onto the T spell. Oh, you guys might have saw that I just went over, but we're not supposed to be spelling any T like spoilers right now. We have to watch the whole video before you guys get any more spoilers. So, let's continue. And let's actually make this theater screen. Or is it already in theater screen? Okay, not spoiler.
I need to go to my computer for this next T, and no, we're not going to expose my login rewards. I hope you didn't see it. We caught another live tea spill, aka actually Barbie's just doing a work session, but she also spills some tea, and so I'm going to report on it spill. So guys, I hopped into Barbie's stream, and right as I got there, I saw something fancy. Okay, so I was like, what is going on here? It looks like she has the journal open, but this is brand new, and then you look up here, there's a bumper, and it says sticker packs. So as time went on, she started to work on a few more different sticker packs, which got me very excited.
Okay guys, I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna have to skip through these things because I cannot, my limit is like 15 minutes long on my recorder right now. So I'm not allowed to. I have to skip through things. So we got this. My freaking thing is messing up. God. What have I got myself into?
Kind of seeing a lot of packs for basically every kind of personality and princess or prince in this game. And one that made me very excited was called Dark. You can see this is kind of the rock and...
Sorry guys, my head is hurting. I won't be able to continue this for so much longer. But we got Dark, Mystical, Dark again, Beachy, School Spirit, Kawaii, and
154. And Barbie's less than 2 years old. Is it illegal for you to have a business? So it's fun seeing her work on it in real time. It looks like all of these sticker packs are made by IX Choco, so definitely thank you so much for your amazingly cute artwork. I can't wait to use these stickers. And then she also, while she was live, was showing some of the questions that they're going to put in the journal, so we can actually show a lot more about our personalities coming up as well. I thought that was exciting. So there will be questions about your favorite YouTuber, your favorite sports, favorite song, and all of the above for you guys to share with your new sticker packs in the journal. But it seems like a lot of you little tea spillers were watching the stream, so I wanted to show off some other screenshots of conversations and things Barbie talked about. But first, let me read you guys some of the notes that I really wanted to talk about that really stood out to me and made me excited in this latest stream. So I did see somebody asking about the chicken heels. Ooh, and I got some bubbles. Oh my gosh, don't they know that I'm trying to do a tea spill? Can I get exempt from the bubbles? But I did see Barbie respond to this person who asked about the chicken heels and said that they don't have any plans to do a full rework of all of them, but they are releasing new heels. So if some of those are inspired by the old chicken heels designs, she would add them to the game, but there's no like definitive we're redoing the chicken heels update yet. Very sorry, people. R.I.P. chicken heels. And our next news has to do with the aforementioned frog Bethy VA. So I saw Bethy tweet this out. Imagine having a principal in Royal High, and imagine if the principal...
so sorry for that guys, that was my father. And yes, if any of y'all heard that, I'll friend you on Roblox and tell you why. Yeah, it was called that.
Bethy tweet out something like this earlier, and if you guys don't know, Bethy did a ton of voice acting for my movies.
See Millie taught you well. I certainly expected no less from you, Bellatrix, Basil, Beatrice.
She was not only Basil, you guys know, the adorable green one from Coven, but also Oceane, and she did a ton of other stuff, and she's amazing. So let's listen to her, test principal lines video.
Hi there, these are my test lines for principal announcement. Here we go.
Good morning, Royal High students. I hope you all are rested well and is ready for today's activities. Just a reminder that breakfast will be served within a few minutes.
It's so
Do
good.
come and join us.
She sounds like a different person.
Thank you for another wonderful day in class. You all make me so proud every single day. Make sure to finish up that homework. And don't forget about the Royal High Dance. A reminder that the pool is only open to mermaids past midnight. Besides that, I hope you all had a wonderful time today, and I hope you have the sweetest of dreams.
Yes, everybody, go show Bethy some support. Bethy also has a YouTube channel, Bethy VA, so you guys should check that out. I will link her in the description. But what do you guys think? Wouldn't it be amazing to actually get this in game? So here's the clip where Barbie says, Bethy, I really like your idea for the announcements being voiced, and I definitely want to try it out. So Bethy so kindly offered to do this with Barbie, and I think it would be really awesome to actually have some more stuff that is auto-generated. And you guys know I've been asking for NPCs for like 3 years in this game. Real teachers. Okay guys, check out the date of this video. It is from June 22nd. And right here I'm in the principal's office, and I'm talking about how it would be great to actually have a principal as an NPC and teachers as NPCs. So I've been talking about this for years, and it looks like it's finally going to happen. So Celeste was quick enough, the chat was moving so fast, but she got a screenshot confirming that we're finally going to have my wildest dream come true and get NPCs. So Blueberry asked, will the new school have actual teachers teaching us, or is it going to be like every school we have? And Barbie said, real teachers. Guys, this is the best day of my life. Fairy Butter also got a really great screenshot of a question that happened in the chat. And apparently Barbie is really thinking about the mermaid tales. I think because we're all annoying her so much and we won't stop talking about them. But she will.
Okay, so guys,
Also,
this is a really good update. So this might be a really good update. Well, will be. I'm really excited for the journal. So, and now I'm going to spell it. Mermaid Tales? Yes, Mermaid Tales. Summer Halo. Let's do the Summer Halo.
contest is in the works. So in this tweet, she says that this will be posted Saturday afternoon at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and only 500 people will be allowed to enter the story, and then the forum is going to shut down completely. So guys, mark that in your smartphone, put an alarm, put it on all of your calendars, because that is going to be very hard to get your story in, and it's going to be very exciting to see what people actually make it into the update. So much tea! So much tea! Wow, I look really evil. Oh my. Tea! Tea! But that is basically it for today. A lot of stuff happened. If you guys would like a little recap, I actually got tweeted in one today. This is by Sammy Alex, and it says, the recap of today, Barbie works on the new profile. She adds questions, a cover, stickers, a badge placement, scripting, and had a meet and greet at the end with some questions. Very good recap. Thank you for watching, humans. Stay tuned because I have another upload, and it may or may not be a little tour of the beach house, but maybe not the way you're thinking. Okay, guys, you're just gonna have to watch my next video. Thanks for hanging out, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, so, well, that was oh gosh. So that was tea, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, shoutouts and credits to Cybernova. I give credits to whoever I showcase on. So, credits to her, and shout out to Cybernova, it's Siena, and Leah. Bye.